Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video I'm going to discuss the question set 20, which is the continuation of the previous question set, which is set 90. So now let's start the question number 1. Find the number of students who participated in the first term science subject. So in this question we have to combine three tables together using inner join query. So this is the search query. Select count from student exam mark record, and we are going to join the student table, subject table and the exam table, and we are searching for the subject science and the term it says find the number of students who participated in the first term science subject, first term and science. So let's execute and see. So the count is 8. So 8 students have participated in the first term subject, science subject. So the second question, what is the minimum score obtained by the first term students? So once again it is going to be a search query joining all the three tables. So select, here we are going to take the minimum mark from the join three tables. So this is the minimum mark, 10.5. So the third question says find the number of students who participated in the second term mathematics subject. So here you have to find the count of the students who have participated in the second term in math subject. So here we have to take the count in maths and second term. So the count is 8. Which subject got the lowest marks in the first term test? So here we are going to select the subject name from the combined three tables, where the term is first term and mark, and here we have used a subquery in to find the minimum mark. So this is the subject where the students have got the lowest mark. So the fifth question, find the name of the students. Find the name of the student who got the lowest mark in all the subjects in the first term. So here we are going to search for the first name and the last name of the student who got the least amount got the minimum mark. So Kasun Raja Mantri got the lowest mark. And that's it for the question set 20. See you soon.